A real-life example of antibiotic resistance is the case of NDM1, New Delhi metallo-beta-lactamase 1, a gene that makes bacteria resistant to nearly all antibiotics, including carbapenems, which are often the last line of defense against bacterial infections. The case of NDM1, a global threat. In 2008, a Swedish patient of Indian origin was hospitalized in New Delhi with a severe bacterial infection. Doctors treated him with multiple antibiotics, but nothing worked. The infection was later found to be caused by Klebsiella pneumonia, carrying the NDM1 gene, which made it resistant to nearly all available antibiotics. What made NDM1 especially dangerous was that it could spread between different bacterial species, turning once treatable infections into deadly ones. Over the next few years, cases of NDM1 resistant bacteria were reported worldwide, including in the UK, the US, Pakistan, and other countries. In Pakistan, the situation was particularly concerning. Over-the-counter antibiotic sales, self-medication, and poor infection control in hospitals contributed to the rapid spread of antibiotic-resistant infections. In 2016, a deadly outbreak of XDR typhoid, extensively drug-resistant typhoid, emerged in Sindh, making Pakistan the first country to report a typhoid strain resistant to nearly all oral antibiotics. The outbreak was traced back to poor sanitation and the overuse of antibiotics in local communities. The lesson: antibiotic resistance isn't just a future threat, it's happening now. Misuse of antibiotics in hospitals, agriculture, and communities is fueling the rise of untreatable infections. Without urgent action, such as regulating antibiotic sales, improving hygiene, and investing in new treatments, we could enter a post-antibiotic era where even minor infections become deadly. Pakistan has since launched a national action plan on antimicrobial resistance, but the fight is far from over. Cases like NDM1 and XDR typhoid remind us that antibiotic resistance is a global crisis that demands immediate attention.